How to enable chat on Royal Match. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the chat. First of all, open your application. Now here on the right top, you can see this settings icon. Tap on this settings icon. Here in your settings interface. But there's no such option as turning on or off of your chats. Here, there is notification options, but you don't have any authority of turning on or turning off the chat. You can directly chat with anyone that you like in your team. Here on the bottom, you can select your team icon. So this is the place where you can message your team members or the players in the team. Simply tap on this message icon and here you can message anything that you want and it will be sent. So this is the only option you have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.